emits the radiation and also absorbs the all wavelength of the radiation. So this emission energy and absorption energy depends on which factors that we want to discuss now. It is explained mathematically with one equation. The scientist is Stefan. On the behalf of his name is called Stefan's law. We have problems based on this. Okay. Stefan's law is applicable for black bodies. Now what he says? Rate of emission of radiation. Rate of emission of radiation through unit cross-sectional area of black body is directly proportional to fourth power of absolute temperature of a black body is called Stefan's law. It is not black body, just example. It is a black. It emits the radiation. The surrounding temperature is less, it emits the radiation. But today, this cross-sectional area is 1. That's why unit cross-sectional area. In 1 second. Rate of emission means in 1 second. That is the meaning. The rate of emission of radiation through unit cross-sectional area. This is the unit cross-sectional. Through unit cross-sectional area of black body is directly proportional to fourth power of absolute temperature of black body. Is called Stefan's law. Now, it is emits the energy. Its temperature is more than the surroundings emits. How much energy is emitted? It is depends on this temperature fourth power. If the temperature increases, now let us take it is 40 degrees. Okay, emits some radiation. 50 degrees, energy is increased. 60 degrees, energy is increased. When its temperature is increases, the emission of energy is increases. That is the Stefan's law. That energy is this temperature is increases. 20 emits some energy. 40 increases the energy. 60 increases the energy. Means if temperature is increases 1000, 2000, 10,000 like that. When the temperature increases, the emission of energy what happen? Increases. It is called. It is mathematically explained by one equation by the Stefan. What is the Stefan's law? Mathematical form. E energy. Energy by time, rate of emission of energy. A area proportional to fourth power of its absolute temperature. If we remove the proportionality, we will get one constant. That constant is called Stefan's constant. How much its value? 5.67 into 10 to the power of minus 8. What? Meter minus 2, Kelvin minus 4. Stefan's law is applicable. The emission of energy through unit cross-sectional area in 1 second of a black body. For that we use this formula. When the temperature increases, energy increases. Okay, this is for black body. It is for black body. If it is not a black body, let us like this is the body. For this, what is the equation? This is the equation. E by AT same. E by AT sigma e power 4. But E is there. What is this? Before this class I have explained. Emissivity. Emissivity what happened? Less than for other bodies. But 1 for each one, perfect black body. That's why E is equal to 1. We get this. Okay? This is about Stefan's law. Okay? Generally, Stefan's law we can say it depends on fourth power of absolute temperature only for the black bodies. If it is not a black body, the emission of radiation depends on which factor. Just imagine, this is a black body. The energy emitted only depends on its temperature. Only depends on its temperature if it is a black body. If it is not a black body like this, it is also emits a radiation or energy. But this emission energy depends on this surface temperature and also area. And also area. If it is not a black body, the emitted energy depends on temperature as well as area. That's why depends on area if it is not a black body. That's why especially in winter season, the dogs, the animals, snakes that are sleep by curling. We are also in winter, what happens? We can sit like this, we can close our hands and we can bend our body like that also. Dogs also curl and sleep like that. Why? When we can sleep like that, our area what happen? Decreases. Area what happen? Decreases. When area is decreases, the emission energy also decreases. Why we are not a black bodies? Dogs are not a black bodies. Snakes are not a black bodies. That's why, especially not only that one, all the living animals or objects, humans, they can curl, ముడుచుకోవడం, చుట్టుకోవడం, ముడుచుకొని పడ్డారు. ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఇన్ వింటర్ సీజన్ హ్యాండ్స్ దగ్గరికి ఫోల్డ్ చేస్తారు. వై దే కెన్ కర్వ్? ద ఏరియా ఈజ్ రెడ్యూస్డ్. వెన్ ద ఏరియా ఈజ్ రెడ్యూస్డ్, ద ఎమిషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ ఈజ్ డిక్రీజెస్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో వన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. One time we can get this in the examination. Okay, black body only depends on surface temperature. If it is not a black body, depends on temperature as well as area. Okay, right. Stefan's law is that. But in the nature, there is no perfect black body. Number of times we are discussed about this. In the nature, good black body is there, but perfect black body is not there. That's why scientist Boltzmann is corrected the Stefan's equation like this. E by A is equal to sigma T power 4 minus T naught power 4. This is Stefan Boltzmann law. What is the T? Temperature of the body. You take any body in the enclosure. What is T naught? Temperature in an enclosure of black body. T is temperature of the body in the enclosure. Next, temperature of an enclosure of black body means this is looks like a black color but not black body. Inside you take any object. Inside you take any object like this. For this, Stefan's law is applicable. For this, Stefan's law is applicable like this. For this is the Stefan's law. For this is the Stefan's law. Like this, it is looks like a black body enclosure in the object. If the object is like this, for this is the law. Okay, 3 situations, 3 equations. about the black body radiation. Okay, Stephen's law. Stephen's law for black body, Stephen's law for another bodies, and Stefan Boltzmann law. Okay, these are about black bodies. Next, after Stefan, another scientist, his name is called Wien. Wien is given another equation for the black body, that is called by Wien's displacement law. Wien's displacement law. Now let us see. Okay, he was plotted the graph between wavelength and energy of the black body. Okay, first he was taking a black body at certain temperature. It releases the energy like this. It is at one temperature T1, and it was increased the temperature. Now this is the maximum value, and it was increased the temperature of the black body. Now let us see. This is black at certain temperature T1. Temperature is increased. Now the graph is like this. This is for T2. So for this is the maximum. Next one. It was increased the temperature like this. This is the maximum value. Again increase the temperature. This is the graph. This is the maximum value. Means when the temperature of the black body increases, the emission of energy what happened? Increases. But when he was plotting graph, one result is observed by the beam. See, this is the maximum energy value at temperature T. This is the maximum energy value at temperature T2. This is the maximum energy value at temperature T3. This is the maximum value when temperature is T4. Okay, temperature increases, energy increases, but this is the maximum energy. Maximum energy, this is the value. This is the maximum energy, this is the value. This is the maximum energy, this is the value. Means temperature increases, energy increases, but wavelength for the maximum energy is decreases. You see this side. Decreases means changes its position. Changes its position is called by which one? Displacement. Which is displaced? Wavelength is displaced. So he was established one form. What is that means? Lambda m. What is lambda m? The corresponding wavelength for maximum energy. Corresponding wavelength for maximum energy is inversely proportional to absolute temperature. Temperature increases, wavelength what happened? Decreases. So which relation is there? Inverse relation is there. Wavelength is changes. That's why it is called displacement. Changes in this side direction. Direction is displacement. This is called Wien's displacement law. If we remove the proportionality, we will get one constant. We will get one constant. What is the name of that constant? That constant is called by Wien's constant. This Wien's constant is 0.293 centimeter into 10. Okay, this is the value of the Wien's constant. Now, what is the Wien's displacement law? the corresponding wavelength for the maximum energy is inversely proportional to absolute temperature of the black body. Is called Wien's displacement law. Now what we can say, the corresponding wavelength for the maximum energy of radiation is inversely proportional to absolute temperature of black body. Is called Wien's displacement law. Okay, now Wien's displacement law, the corresponding wavelength for the maximum energy of radiation is inversely proportional to absolute temperature of black body is called Wien's displacement law. But this law, Wien's displacement law, is valid for short wavelength of radiation. This law is valid for short wavelength of radiation. Okay, this law is valid for short wavelength of